My code is DDW0862. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jean Daliyeng. I am 34 years old. My height is 146 cm. My weight is 48 kilograms. I am high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I am single parent. I have two children, two girls, 9 years old and 4 years old. I had 7 siblings, 4 girls, 3 boys. I have experience working as domestic helper in Saudi for 2 years, since 2023 to 2025. My main duties is to do housework, take care children 8 years old, and do simple cooking for Arabic. The house is apartment, 4 rooms, 5 toilets. I am willing to accept the job. Take care, baby. Take care elderly. I'm willing to take 1 day off in a month. To my employer, if you give me a chance to work to your family, I will work hard, responsible. I will treat your children as my own. I am a fast learner. Got initiative. Thank you, ma'am and sir.